From Divine Angel of the Light, Seneca, Pleaidian. Greetings, beloved beings of light. We are here to share our essence and illuminate the path toward understanding the golden children and the seventh root race, embodiments of a future filled with love and unity. The golden children are those who awaken to their divine potential early in life. They are sensitive, intuitive, and often possess unique gifts that enable them to connect with higher dimensions and the collective consciousness. With vibrant energy and innate wisdom, they hold within them the keys to the future of humanity, guiding others toward compassion, creativity, and healing. These children, often seen as indigo, crystal, or rainbow beings, reflect the light of the universe and remind you of your own divine nature. They are here to assist in the transformation of your world, catalyzing change and inspiring a new way of living, one based on understanding, love, and cooperation. Sadly, many of these children had their gifts suppressed by black magic and other programs on Earth, which is now being undone. Many of you will begin to step into your gifts now. As humanity evolves, you are entering the era of the seventh root race, the next phase in the grand cycle of spiritual evolution. This race represents the culmination of the lessons learned through previous root races, marking a transition into a higher state of consciousness. The seventh root race is characterized by profound spiritual awareness, an enhanced connection to the divine, and a return to the principles of unity and oneness. In this upcoming era, you will experience a collective awakening, where telepathy, empathy, and harmonious coexistence become the norm. The seventh root race embodies qualities that transcend your current understanding, leading to a society in which love is the foundation, and all beings recognize their sacred interconnectedness. As you navigate your journeys, know that the essence of the golden children resides within you. Embrace your intuition, cherish your unique gifts, and cultivate the values of love, kindness, and acceptance. By doing so, you contribute to the birth of the seventh root race and the manifestation of a brighter, more unified world. Remember, the changes you envision begin with you. Shine your light boldly and step bravely into your divine identity, for you are the seeds of the new era. In love and light, Seneca, Pleaidian.